I've got a little Scott's mower made by John Deere, and it would not start. And I found out the inline filter did not have any gas in it. It's a clear filter, didn't have any gas in it, so I knew I had the gas problems. First I checked the spark worked, had plenty of spark, didn't have gas. So I kept looking down in here. You may not be able to see it, but right down right there is the hose, the feeder hose that comes up here and feeds the carburetor, feeds the engine. And I tried to hook it with one of the little grapple things and put it up here where I could blow it out, and that was very unsuccessful. So I figured out a way to blow out the fuel line without taking this tank off of here. That would be a pain in the butt to take that tank off there. So this is what I did, and it worked. Let me just show you how I blew it out. This is the little inline gas filter, and as you can see, it has gas in it now because I blew it out, but it did not before, was not getting any gas. So what I'm going to do is clamp off this with my hand, insert the hose between my fingers, which is making a pretty good seal on that lid, push it, just to show you how well it works. I went ahead and took the filter out. The filter spanned these two hoses. The gas, when I blow it, should come out that hose right there, and this is the hose that goes to the engine. The filter was in between. So that is how to unstop the line, gas line, on a riding mower, on a mower. Now, if I didn't have compressed air, could I do it with my mouth? Maybe. Certainly wouldn't hurt to try. I've seen people actually do it on tractors and cars before, so you know, could work. I don't have that much blow power, so it could work if you do. So anyway, be careful. Gasoline is nothing to mess with, but that solved my problem. Got plenty of gas now going to the filter, which makes it go to the engine, which makes this little old, about a 20-year-old tractor run like brand new.